Welcome to Level 3 Rock Your World Mandala Necklace. For this project, we will be using the clear sticker guide in your stamp guide book. Center your pattern grid over the alchemy blank. With this project, we are going to line the bottom of your blank up with the second to last circle on your sticker guide. Make sure that your sticker is attached to your block firmly. We are using ImpressArt's Southwest Mandala pattern. Remove the stamps from the packaging and place them in front of you with the impressions facing upward. We are going to begin with using the 6mm stepped pattern. You're going to start in the center and use every other orange line around your disc. If you are having difficulty with getting a full impression, try tilting and tapping your stamp. The next step is using the 3mm shaman's eye. Place the stamp inside the negative space of the impression of the stepped pattern. It's okay if your stamp hangs off the edge of the blank. You're going to want to turn your block for this next step. It's to better help you line up your 4mm feather symbol stamp. Begin by stamping an impression under your stepped pattern. Stamp one impression on the center orange line, then one on each side of the center line. The 6mm sun symbol is next. Use the space between the orange lines around the bottom of your sticker guide to complete this pendant. Remove your sticker guide and use a tweezer to pull out any remnants of leftover sticker that might be stuck inside of your pattern. Using a Sharpie marker, mark your holes for your hanging semi-precious chips and the holes for your chain. Using the screw down hole punch, follow the Sharpie marker dots to make your holes. Line up the screw to your dot and begin to turn the punch to the right. Once the punch pierces the metal, turn your punch to the left to unscrew. Our next step is a process of blending the black and silver enamel markers to create more of a vintage patinaed look. Begin with applying the black enamel. Let the enamel settle and take your paper towel and dab the enamel, leaving some remnants of the black. Then, run your silver enamel marker over your impressions, mixing both colors to create that gunmetal vintage effect. Wait a few seconds and lightly dab and wipe away the remnants of that enamel. For a polished finish, use ImpressArt's buffing block. We are using the fine side first, running it in the same direction up and down. Then move on to your super fine side to bring out the shine and brilliance of the metal. Take your finished chain and cut it in the center using ImpressArt's flush cutters. Using 2 chain nose pliers, attach jump rings to the top of the pendant and then attach the chain. Make sure to close your jump rings fully. Our next step is using ImpressArt semi-precious chips in labradorite. Apply 1 jump ring and put a semi-precious chip and close your jump ring. Once you've attached your semi-precious chips on your pendant, we are going to count out 10 chain links and place a jump ring along with a labradorite semi-precious chip.